Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Avast free antivirus on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is click the magnifying search icon, and you want to search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select Programs and Features on the left side, and then locate the Avast free antivirus and select Uninstall. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select Uninstall. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select the Uninstall option on the right side, and then select Yes. Okay, so go ahead and restart your computer now. And there we go, guys. Should have been a pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.